So, dear student, today I'll be teaching you the integral calculus, especially the polar curve and everything, and I'll teach you how to draw the graph also. So, the first few minutes are very, very important. Then afterwards, it'll be very easy. Okay. So, I'll just share the screen first. So, first thing is we have to know how to draw the graph. Okay. So, listen carefully, see the questions properly. Always see the second integral, which I'm just showing you now. I'll just highlight it also if you want. This one. Yes. The second one. With the yellow color I highlighted, right? That thing. X to root x. From this only I'll be drawing what? The graph first. Correct. Which is the term missing in this y? Correct. So y is equal to x and y is equal to root x. Y is equal to x meaning just like we do in our lower classes, fourth standard, fifth standard, we plot the graph, right? I'm talking about this y is equal to x. So write down y is equal to x. Okay. Then write down x value, y value. This is my x, this is my y. So y is equal to x. So if x is equal to 0, what is y value? 0. If x is equal to 1, y is 1. Then draw the graph. 1. Origin is 0. Y is 1. Correct. The first point is here. 1, 1. Then if I want to do one more one, 2, comma 2. This is my 2 and this is also my 2. So I'll get about a straight line. So y is equal to x is what? Straight line. And next one is y is equal to root x. Y is equal to, we are not familiarized with root x. So y is equal to what? Root x, right? Square it. Y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. So the trick here, it is a parabola. But again, in the parabola, we don't know how to draw it, correct? So for that, I'll tell you one simple trick. So I hope most of you know John Cena, who's there in WWE wrestling, right? Correct? Yes. So what is the famous catchphrase of John Cena? You can't see me. Okay. So that's a famous catchphrase. So coming to that, you can't see me. So you, which axis is touching? X axis. Correct. It is touching in x axis. So x square is equal to y. If it is C, if it is what? If it is C, which axis is touching? Y axis. So y square is equal to x. So you see, you can't see me, that thing. Okay, so this is how an easy way to remember. Now you come back to this graph and see the graph here, as you can clearly see. You got the point. And if it is a 7-mark question, this graph only will contain 4 mark. So you have to emphasize on what? The graph. Engineering emphasis on the diagram, not these things. Okay, so one diagram I taught you. I'm not going into the question now. My first duty is to make sure that you know the diagram properly. Okay, yeah, how to draw a diagram. Again, see this question. It is y. Y is there. Here, I'll just zoom it here and I'll mark it with the yellow shade also. Yes. Then later on, I'll tell you what it is, the change of order of integration, everything. That you don't worry. Sorry, I think I clicked the wrong thing. Yeah. Yes. The yellow marker which I did now. Is equal to root y. So square it. Squaring means it'll come what? X square is equal to y. It'll come. If it comes x square is equal to y, then what you have to do? It touches it touches x axis. Touches an x axis. Clear? can draw this. X square is equal to y. I can draw this. X square is equal to y. And what is y varies from 0 to 1? So y varies from what? 0 to 1. That is simple thing. Y is equal to 1. So it will be parallel to what? The y-axis. Okay, parallel to the y-axis. Clear? Okay, yeah. So we got a line parallel to the y-axis also. That's all. So this is how you have to plot the graph first. First thing for me is making you understand how to plot the graph. See here in this question, y is equal to x and y is equal to 1. So y is equal to x, I just now told you it's a straight line. Correct? And y is equal to 1, then parallel to x-axis. You can see clearly y is equal to 1 parallel to x-axis. So graph drawing I have taught you. Next one is a change of what order. But before that, this also I'll help you with the graph. Here you can see here y value is what, which is the missing term in this question. You have to zoom in and then only you'll come to know. Okay. You can see the two things which I have marked, right? Yes. X square by 4a and y is equal to root x. So square on both the sides because we are not comfortable with the root. Okay. So y square is equal to what? 4ax. And what is my x square is equal to 4ay. Okay. Y square is equal to 4ax and x square. This 4a will be multiplied with this y. Y square. So I told you c. And x square. It'll be what? U. Okay. So again, I'll get the parabola diagram. So I hope you are clear with the drawing the diagrams because that is a major part in this. Okay, it's fine. So now we'll learn the art of drawing diagrams. Correct. And one more thing, whatever is in diagram, you should put it, okay? Why 4a is there? Because normally what is the thing I told you? Y square is equal to x. So which means 1x. So 1 comma 1 will come. Here what is there? 4a is there. So that is the reason 4a comma 4a is there in the question. In the diagram 4a comma 4a is there. So this diagram, pause it and then you have to draw it. Then coming to the shortcut. So change of order of integration, it is difficult for most of the students because a simple thing only, it's been taught such a way that it's very complicated. But I'll tell you the shortcut now only. Okay, zoom into this. You can see the yellow color, right? Y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square by 4a. Change x into y, that's it. Wherever you see, replace x with y. Okay, wherever you see, replace x with y and y with x. Now, this is a question actually. Now see what they have done. Come back to the main question. See, same thing they did. Go to the question. Instead of x, I am just telling you put y. That's it. Here x square will become y square. That's all. And this is the most important question which is repeatedly asked in the examination. Finished now? Start writing the test. Test also is done.
These all are going on with 2, 3 times.
Test also you're okay.
These are all small problems.
Okay, fine. Then think
Any other
physics. Physics you take.
Physics, that book.
That book. Handbook you take. Yeah. So coming to this, just replace x with y and y with x. That's all. That's a shortcut for this. Okay. See this thing? Then the integration part, you know how to do it. Correct? X with respect to x square by 2, upper limit minus lower limit, then integrate it. That you have to do it. Yes, that's a handbook. Array optics you can study. Yeah. So now I'll take one more question for you to understand. Let us take this question. X and root x is there, right? The first question which I told you. Correct. So how to do change of order of integration here? Okay, as I told you, first thing is you will draw a diagram. Correct, y is equal to x. And then what? Y is equal to root x. So from this curve, it is meeting where, see the curve here? From this curve, it is meeting what? The 1. That is y. X is equal to y. So from where does this curve start? From what? As you can see here clearly, y is equal to x is there, y is equal to root x is there, right? Correct? I told you y square is equal to x. So what is x value? Y square. Y square to what? Y. Y square to y. Just reverse this thing. Just reverse. Whatever is it there, here just reverse it. And x value, instead of x, I'll put what? Y is equal to 0 to 1. Same thing. Rest of things are same. So I need not write all of these things, or I need not break my head on all of those things. Directly from the figure only we can do it. Once the step is over, this step we can do it in calculator also, which I'm showing you now. Next question. Again here also reverse it. Correct? So y is equal to 0 to what? It's starting from the origin. Correct? 0 to this point, x square. And from this point, it is 0 to 1. Same thing. Instead of dx dy, put dy dx. Simple only. X to 1. Again, reverse it. 0 to y. 0 to y. Then 0 to 1. Rest everything will be same. Rest everything will be same. We need not try to do everything in this. Okay, by showing. So whatever we can, that's more than enough. But the most important question is this question which I discussed first. This mostly it will come in the examination. We did not do these parts. It's just a waste of time. Okay, and always try remembering the final answer, because in engineering, the final answer is more important. Yeah, so thank you guys. Thank you.